good. Yeah.
Okay, so we're chucked in a few extras tonight, including some older ones like this one, and this one we'll dedicate to Alison and Dave.
Simon,
we did actually give up plastic bottles, by the way. Oh yeah.
I know her too well.
I know her so well.
Okay.
We can talk it over as sun slips away. We're faced with a night, it will fade away, I'm sure. Tell me not to draw the line, I'm losing my fight, I'm doing just fine. I shouldn't have you on my mind, you say close your eyes and we'll be alright. This could all be chemical, it'll fade away on the shore at the end of each day. Do I breathe? I need more. So teach me how to disappear. Please show me why it's your ghost I fear. Keep on spinning through this haze. Every minute you're here, every minute we make. This could all be chemical, it'll fade away on the shore at the end of each day. Do I breathe? I need more. Climb, the closer we are, the less we try. So tell me not to draw the line, I'm losing my fight, I'm doing just fine. Fight, I'm doing just fine. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks. We had to practice that one earlier, and the only way that we can get the rhythm right is to shuffle around while we're playing it around the room in a circle.
And we were definitely caught doing that by someone who went down to get like something from the barrel store, that found me and Hannah like marching around like that in a line. Yeah.
It's the only way it works. Try it next time you put that album on.
It makes you do what's known as the ducky bum. That's what we call it anyway.
Ducky bum. Ducky bum shuffle.
Ducky bum shuffle. What's really interesting about that song as well is tonight you got a special version where we both ended on a different chord. And that's very unique. Whilst I played a major chord, Hannah cleverly went for a minor chord. And that was we intended that because...
Part of your ticket price.
Yeah, because music theory suggests that that's bad, but we just thought...
Fuck it.
Simon doesn't like that. I knew that you'd panic. He doesn't mind.
I didn't do it on the mic.
What you meant to say was duck it.
Duck it.
Like the Ducky Bomb Shop.
The ducky, yeah, that's why I've got it in my head.
Okay.